Hey everyone, if your LinkedIn account is restricted or temporarily blocked, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix a restricted LinkedIn account in 2026. First, understand why your account was restricted. LinkedIn usually limits accounts due to unusual activity, too many connection requests, or policy violations. Next, complete identity verification. I mean, you may need to upload your ID or confirm your email and phone number to prove your identity. Now, reset your password. This helps secure your account and remove any suspicious activity. If the restriction still remains, contact LinkedIn support. I mean, submit an appeal and clearly explain your situation. Avoid sending too many connection requests or messages. LinkedIn may flag your account as spam if you overuse these features. Remove any third-party tools or browser extensions. I mean, these can cause unusual activity and trigger restrictions. Finally, wait for LinkedIn to review your account. Most restrictions are removed within a few days after verification. So, yeah, that's how you fix a restricted LinkedIn account in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can recover your account safely. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more LinkedIn tutorials for fast and easy fixes.